WordPress tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to link buttons on your website. Okay, let's go over pages. Let's go to pages. Okay, click the page you want to edit on, then we'll go to edit with Elementor. It's loading, the Elementor is loading. Okay, so I want to make this button. When you click here, can be able to take it to here. Yeah, when you click this button, must take you, this is the point, and the ending point must be here on About Us, must be here on About Us. Okay, let's do it. Select the button and come over here, URL link. Let's add a link. You can type whatever you want. Okay, I will call this more. Type whatever you want with the hashtag. Make sure the hashtag is there. Then update to make sure this thing is saved. Update. It's updating. When it's updated, then copy. Without the hashtag, just copy the text only. Then copy it. And let's go to the ending point. Here's the ending point. Select the ending point. Selected. Then let's go to advanced. On CSS ID, under CSS ID, paste it without an hashtag. Remove the hashtag. Then let's update. It's updated. Let's see if it's working. Let's preview. Let's preview. Okay, let's click here. Boop, congratulations, it's working. So click here, just click on watch more, read more. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching, stay blessed. Make sure you don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you, see you next time.